Hi, are you ready to learn some new words? In this video, you will learn some words related to one base word. The base word in this video is print. Here are some words related to the base word. Printed, printer, printry, printing, prints, blueprint, fingerprint, handprint, imprint, newsprint, reprint. Now learn how to use each word in a sentence. That print is bold and large. They printed some new banknotes. We bought a new color printer. The printry does books and postcards. They are printing the evening newspapers. The fabric has paw prints design. I altered the blueprint for the house. The fingerprint expert testified at the trial. They made handprint designs in art class. We imprint the logo on every tag. The cost of newsprint is increasing. They had to reprint all the books. Now let's review. Printed, printer, printry, printing, prints, blueprint, fingerprint, handprint, imprint, newsprint, reprint. If you want to continue improving your reading and writing and gain more confidence, then don't forget, subscribe.